Hey, Surecrete customers and fans of the Phoenix Group. So today we are introducing phase 2 of our Trans4loor system. This is our Flake system, and we're really excited to get this out to market. You should see this well in advance of the end of the year in your stores. So what's different is we have now come up with a universal part A and B. So it's still the same good product. In this kit, you've got 1 gallon of part A, 1 gallon of part B. This is clear. So the cool thing about this is this will be adaptable to either the metallic system like we have it now, or also with the Flake system. So you're wondering, okay, what about the color? Well, the good news is we are offering 6 colors in this tin pack. It's going to be a 1-quart can that'll go into these 2 gallons of material. So you're going to mix your part A and B together with your color, mix that up for 3 minutes, and then you are good to go with your color that corresponds with your particular flake combination. What you're also going to be seeing now is flakes are going to be offered in both the 25-pound box, which we've been offering in the past, and now the 40-pound box. So we are keeping pretty much all of the colors that you're used to, but we're also adding 3 brand new combinations that are the hybrid flakes. Those are a combination of a few different sizes that actually makes a floor look more like stone. Really cool, so more to come on that. So Team Trans4loor today has a great project. This is a brand new garage, and we're gonna be putting down this Cosmos, and we're gonna be top coating it with our polyaspartic top coat that's also a part of the Trans4loor system. So first things first is going ahead and getting surface prep done. So we're gonna move forward with that and have Bill John, our resident expert on flooring systems, talk you through how to prep your floor properly.
We're on a job site. We're going to coat a 900 square foot floor with our Trans4loor Flake floor system. And the number one thing we have to do to make sure that the floor adheres is surface prep. The best method of surface prep is a shot blast. Next method would be a grind. And then the other method for non-professional would be an acid wash with 3 good rinses.
Okay, shot blasting is done. We've got a nice clean floor here. As you can see, we have got this to a CSP, probably a 3, maybe a 4 in a few of the spots. So we've got a nice tooth to this floor. Super important when you're using Trans4loor, we want a professional grade floor prep done. A couple spots over here, and here that actually some cracks appeared after we started a shot blast. So we hit those with our crack repair system. Give it a quick cup grind. That's a material that's going to dry super fast. So don't rely on your flake system to bridge cracks. They probably won't. So we've got the prep work done. The floor is clean. If I had some food here, I might even eat off the floor, but I'm not going to do that today because we're ready to start putting material down. So our next step is to start mixing our Trans4loor. Okay, we are all set. So we've gone over and scraped all the loose flakes off. We've swept and vacuumed them, blown the whole floor off. So now we are clean and good to go. So now it's top coat time. So our new Trans4loor polyaspartic top coat, again, conveniently packaged. 1 gallon of each, 1-to-1, no math. Mix both of the kits together. Mix for 2 minutes. 2 minutes is the max. Depending on your conditions, you may go a little less, but we're gonna say 2 minutes to keep you safe. And then the product is gonna be put down, again, very thin. This is not something you build a thick coat with. So as you'll see coming up here in a few minutes, Isaac and Bill are going to pour the material out of the bucket. They're gonna move it across the floor with the squeegee and then back roll. And that's gonna give us a perfect, nice first coat. That should take today maybe an hour, hour and a half to dry, and then we are gonna put down coat number 2. And I think at that point, we're gonna feel very happy with the look that we have here. As you know, the more coats you put on, the smoother the floor gets, the slippery the floor gets, and also the easier the floor is to clean. So you're gonna have to make those trade-offs in terms of whether this is an interior floor, a garage floor, whatever you're doing. So stay tuned and we'll show you the next steps.
All right, we're done with our first grout coat of polyaspartic. We put that on at about 150 square feet to the gallon. We're waiting approximately 2 hours. We're right at about that. And one of the things you want to check is to see how tacky it is. In actuality, we have to wait just a little bit more because it feels a little sticky. It's not left on your fingers, but it's a little sticky. Now, the recoat windows are important for polyaspartic. If you go too short, if we started to put some product on this right now, we could encapsulate solvent and that would cause a problem with adhesion from the first coat to the second. Also, if you wait too long, you actually have about a 2 hour to 12 hour recoat window. If you wait that 12 hours, you could lose intercoat adhesion and you would have to sand it prior to putting the next coat on.